Good morning, everyone. Okay. So this session going to be 30th session of SAP Consulting. Here, so till now we have completed these many topics: introduction, companies, technologies, then SERP, business process, then SAP. We are into the SAP topic in detail discussion of SAP. Right. SAP software and hardware details completed in the last session. So here, same details. 13th. Here we will cover. It is almost this is well, technical as well as functional modules overview and as well as techno-functional modules also introduced. Who are eligible to learn these things? What are the extension scheme? Everything covered here. Now, like, recently SAP software details. Okay, what exactly the training learning software and as well as the original company usage software. Both the things. If anybody want to install SAP or rent SAP also, so can say one both. So, so that the server is you can reach out to this number plus 91 950 So this is the organization. You can speak to them for rental purpose. They will give. They will provide SAP all servers. Okay. Yes. Now then come to the, you can refer to my name as well. That is some dispute with that. The systems. Go to the next level. That is the 13th session going to be. Today we will discuss the SAP clients and clients list, partners list, as well as going to be the product list also. We will cover all those. Right. So first of all, clients list. Who is a client? Client is nothing but who purchase and use SAP daily. Okay, those are all comes under SAP clients only. Clients are customers, we can say. Right. If you look at here, yeah. There are many clients or customers are using SAP. Right. If you go back, yes, this is the clients list. If consider the core industries. That is core means non-IT industries, the verticals, industry specific. Like if you consider pharmaceuticals companies like Ranbaxy, Novartis, Aventis, Dr. Reddy's, Natco Pharma, Matrix Lab, and we have n number of other pharma companies. All companies are almost majority companies, not only the big top players, big giants we call it, but apart from that, lot many companies are using almost all pharma into SAP particular. Second, food industry, Britannia, Priya Foods, Heritage Foods also they are implemented SAP. Topmost food industry specific electronic, this Videocon, Sony, Thomson, Panasonic, electronic area also. Oil and gas industries, Hindustan Oil Corporation Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation. These companies are also using oil and gas. Okay, yes. Even Reliance Industries are also. If you go to the retail, IS retail, now this was very older one, old slide. I need to update it. Like retail, whatever the retail markets are there, their background operations are into SAP only. Daily their operations, okay, they are into RFL stands for like Relaxo Footwear. They are on Paragon. These are all comes under footwear division, retail division. They are into SAP. If you consider tobacco means cigarette manufacturing companies. So the ITC Tobacco, Indian Trade Corporation, Virgin Sultan Tobacco, VST, this is Hyderabad based. Like that, British Corporation, UK based. So almost and one more Altria group US based. So almost in this particular tobacco specific tobacco area also, all companies are into SAP. Then if you look at electrical BHEL uses, here under electronic ECIL is there, government company, Electronic Corporation of India Limited. They are also into SAP. And if you look at this BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, they are also implemented SAP. So seeds manufacturing companies, JK Seeds, Nujwood Seeds, and so on, they are also into SAP. Agro Agricultural Division, not only seeds, okay, these because pharma, agro, and seeds, these are all three go hand in hand. So major companies are into SAP. In the automobile industry, all top players like Yamaha, Honda, Hero Motors, because these two are separate now. Hero separate, Honda separate. And the Tata Motors, Mahindra, and Ford Motors, BMW Motors, Mercedes Benz. Yes. Automotive sector, we call it as this particular area. Okay. So, automobiles also. Right. Okay. If you go to the few other companies like come here, example, like government projects, TS Transco and TS Genco. Yes. Okay. These two companies, transmission company, generation company, power generation company. Even AP, earlier it was a combined, now it is separated. Andhra Pradesh, Transco and Genco also into, yes, SAP. They are running their business process into SAP. So we have a lot of, Singareni mines. That entire process runs in SAP only because that is a kind of Indian Railways, Navy, these government uh, projects also runs in SAP only. Okay. So yes, all the three sectors of Indian government. Next, like you take it any vertical, any examples. Okay, any industry also. Okay, any industry you consider it. Like we have that textile industry. Okay, Dick John Raymonds. Those are all into top players are into SAP. If you go to food industry, already covered. Okay, like any vertical, they're all into SAP, and moreover, lot of Other companies are also, Vizag steel plant also runs in SAP, right? And moreover, yeah, plenty examples we can consider here, which are local, global, everywhere. Okay, yes, right. There is a list which I will present this one. So, and a lot of other companies are also showing interest to learn SAP, to implement SAP because of the this global features, SAP global features. Right. Then next. So just some few clients list here given here, and we will continue the rest later. In other slide I can. Then there is a one concept called as partners. Because what exactly the partner concept? So SAP partners. Why we required partners? Okay. First of all, companies are two types. I said in the initial level. First one is proprietary company. Second one is partner-based company, isn't it? Proprietary means own single person owns the company. He runs the organization. Whereas partnership company is nothing but like there are partners through multiple investors. They start company. They run the organization. Advantage they equally share the responsibility also, profits also equally. They invest also, yes, as it is, right. Now, but SAP point of view, what exactly the why SAP entertain partnership reasons I will tell you. Suppose if you look at left side, SAP SE, this is the company name. SAP AG, SAP SE. Right side, right side clients. We can call it as clients or customers, or else clients or customers, we can call it as our core industries are also. Core industries also. So now in between our partners comes into picture. Yes. So because one end product based company SAP, another end lakhs of industries are there. Very different industries. Just now I explained food industry, textile, tobacco, cigarette, cement industries. Bharati Cement is there. They started SAP directly, and L&T Cement. Most of the cement companies runs in SAP only. That's it. Now, uh, yes, here these all clients. Yes, suppose new clients also. So there are so many clients or customers, right? And SAP. So SAP at one end, clients are another end. But there is a gap between these two. If clients want to approach to SAP, how to approach even though don't have. So that's where our partners comes into picture. So first of all, there are some companies registered with SAP as a SAP business partners. So yes, what exactly the business partners role? Business partners, they, yes, generate business to SAP. That is, they are indirectly helping, yes, between client and SAP between, they act like a business partner. That is, indirectly, they are generating business to, they bring new clients to SAP. Yes, that is one way. Then second one is SAP channel partners. So some IT companies, software companies are registered as a channel partners. So channel means we know news channel, right? Somewhere incident happens, but we are watching those incident while sitting at our home, correct? The channel is act like a media or communicator between that place to us. So similarly, if you look at channel partners are act like intermediate partner between SAP and the clients. So channel partners through clients or customers can purchase SAP software. Okay, yes. If you look at the business partners, they do kind of marketing or features explaining to customers and bring the business to this one. This is also more or less the same. The channel partners, channel between clients, yes, clients and yes. So suppose a client from so and so country, they like these particular clients, they are new to SAP, even they don't know anything. And then what they do, they can approach to these channel partners like we are interested in SAP. So these channel partners will in turn connect to the SAP to purchase SAP software. Yes. So this channel partners are through SAP can be purchased. Okay, how many licenses required and all further level. Next, here some companies, some IT companies, okay, particularly yes, registered with SAP as a implementation partners. Just like IBM, Accenture, Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, all those things are major implementation SAP partners. So, what is implementation that we will study in the upcoming sessions. But here, yes, first of all, if you want to do the activity of implementation, they have to register with SAP as a partner first. They must be the partner to the SAP as a implementation partner. There is a registration process. These all IT companies, they are partners to whom partners with SAP. So that means they have to uh, they need to talk to SAP and they have to follow the SAP standardized procedures, policies and all. Then they will arrange, they need to pay to SAP to become this type of partnership. And partnership also, it's not 1 year. They to renew the partner, they have to pay renewal model also yearly. These are all the partnership concept. So once they are partners, tie up with SAP, then they can go and say in the open market that we are partners to SAP. We are official partners with SAP. Which means what? They can even in their name plate also, board also, everywhere they can publish that we are partners to SAP. Right. Okay. Just like if you look at this slide, this is the iService Globe Private Limited. They are SAP service partners, channel partners, and software partners. You can see the slide also, right? So, but there are some differences are there. Okay, yes, I will tell you that part later. So, coming to this SAP implementation partners. So, what happened? Implementation partners they do they perform. They are responsible. Okay, for implementation and post implementation hypercare support and all future support. There are some exclusive service partners. They provide all kind of services of SAP. Yeah. But who are these? These companies are also IT companies only. Okay, but it's not SAP, it's not client, but general normally so many software companies they want to run the business in SAP, different types of business again. So the nature of business they have tie up with SAP. Right. Next, some company is registered as SAP Education Partners. SAP Education Partners. What exactly the meaning of that education is? Like suppose, like some companies, SAP education concept is totally different. Okay, SAP is very costly to learn also. Okay, in every country specific, you can go to Google and search SAP education partners in your country. Which country you are in India, suppose. What happened? Yes, you will get in SAP official site. You will get the complete. Yes, explore all SAP resources. No. Okay, here there is a yes. In SAP.com itself, you can search for partners official. Suppose this is the SAP. Yes, if you want to go to the no. So you can search with SAP partners. So it will give the partners list. Who are the partners? We can partners in India also. Find SAP partners. Okay, yes. This is the link. Are SAP partners. Right. So partner type. What type of sell partners? Build partners. Partner solutions. Marketing, commercial, sales and service. Yes. Cloud ERP. So these are all the questions. What type of product they want to sell? SAP B1, SAP Business by Design. Okay, ERP products are financial. These are all the products list. Okay, yes. Next. So there is a GRC, is the governance risk compliance. This is also under cyber security. This is a basis extension topic. GRC, right? So many products are there. Which product they want to have. So partner, search for partner name and the locations. That is, yes, these many countries, country wise partners you can search. Okay, so if you go to the, this is the way you can search for partners. Yes, it will give SAP partners list search results. So PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Deloitte, ENY. These three almost big four firms. Like that, okay, so many companies are also came SAP partners list, but they are into yes. This list is continuous. Like you will get so many lists. I see IBM, Entity Data, okay, all those KPMG. That's also big four company. So what exactly their competency, what they do, and all you can go to the further level. So this is about your. But if you want to learn SAP, there is a official partners, ATOS, Atos. Earlier it was Atos Origin. Now Origin is separate. Atos is a France-based company. They do implementation also. They do provide education, official education in India. Official partners. Earlier Siemens was there. Siemens acquired. Siemens is a German-based company. Siemens. Now Atos came into picture. So this is called as Atos. Right. Next, this is uh, uh, about the SAP education partners. Right. Then next, we have to go to the another type of partnership: business completed, channel implementation, service provider. Yeah. Just now we have seen SAP software partners. Okay. SAP software partners. Yes. So software partner is nothing but these companies are responsible to develop add-on software, add-on integrated softwares, new softwares to this particular SAP. See, SAP is there one end, but suppose this in iService Group they implemented SAP to Gmail integration. Yes, Gmail through you can reach out to SAP or SAP mail will come to Gmail inbox. This is one type of G connector. So this type of new add-on developments done by this company. So every company, these people, this particular, it's a pure IT companies. Okay, IT companies, what they do, they are responsible to develop year by year new additional add-on softwares. What they do, they develop it, they will demonstrate to SAP, they will thoroughly test with SAP. If it is approved, okay, then what they do, they officially go to the market and they explain to the clients and customers and they sell their product also. Apart from SAP core software, add-on software also will be. So this is the way these companies are getting business and revenue. But they have to stick to adhere to the SAP rules and policies. So this way, by the nature of business they do or activity they do, there are so many SAP partners are there in the market. Okay, one is clients list, second is partners list. Okay, so this is about second way of explanation. Hope you guys understand this. Correct. So if you go to this, just now we came into picture under basis. Uh, I said just now we have there is a security. So basis security is a separate topic nowadays. GRC, governance, risk and compliance. This is very very important. Module, submodule, or extension. Okay. Yes. Under basis. Okay. Remember one. Yes. GRC. It is integrated with your cyber security also. This is the suitable area for basis consultants, right? So the missing part also I'm covering here and there. Please understand, right? So this is how the clients list and product list is completed. Next, if we want to go to the SAP, like SAP concerns, we have press books. SAP press books. So official books are there. Books designed Designed means designed and published by SAP. Okay. Yes. SAP Press is there separately. So if you want all module specific, it could be a web basis or any functional modules. Many SAP Press books are there. So if you go to SAP Press books. Okay. Yes. Right. SAP Press official site. SAP hyphen Press. E-books. E-books are there, hard copy books also there. So it is, yes, this is the website where library you can purchase just like Amazon. Okay, shopping. You can purchase here, order here, it will be couriered to your address. Yes. There are finance, logistics, programming, administration. Yes, almost several websites are there. Right. Sorry, topics wise, modules wise. Okay, yeah. If you go to this SAP Fiori apps specific book, inventory management specific book. Okay, so SAP for dummies, SAP for beginners, SAP for certification specific books, like architecture specific books. You see this? Okay, analytics is a kind of this BW, BI, and all completely is a reporting tool. Yes. So now SAP elevate your SAP learning experience. Okay, by so many ABAP cookbook. Okay, yes, practical recipes for modern programming. That is, this is also one type of, yes, new, yes, cloud integration cookbook. Oops, exclusively object oriented programming with ABAP objects. Okay, this is exclusively OOPS related. Next, okay, software architecture and design. Google mostly SAP, yes, SAP HANA architecture, SAP Activate methodology, SAP S4 HANA Finance. Okay, S4 HANA Finance, because here the product wise we have, if you go to the SAP here, we can find under BWBA we have three things we can see that. That is nothing but SAP S4 HANA is there already. SAP B4 and B4 HANA is there for BWBI consultants, and SAP C4 HANA there. C4C we call it as. Okay, C4 HANA is there for CRM client specific. Okay, this is also there. Another type of vertic. Okay, yes. Here our C4C cloud for customer. Yes. Okay, this is there. One of the area. So next, best seller. So many topics. So you can go for Python programming. That is helpful for the AIML. Yes. Okay. Financial accounting certification guides. So almost certification exam guides. Activate methodology certification guides. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is a small bytes. Some type of, yes. These are all the SAP build. Agile says always, rather than using the word development, we are using build concept in Agile. Okay, it's build. Okay, build and test. Earlier we used to say develop and test. Okay, the terminology changed here. So CDS, core data services, full stack development with SAP, completely front end and back end. Yes, that is front end is Fury apps and the back end is ABAP only. Right. So these are all official books available, press books on every topic. Okay, so almost we have done with all the maximum information of SAP. And one important thing which I want to cover, which takes a lot of time, yes, that is that we will cover now. Okay, so that is nothing but SAP products list. SAP products list. You could, so partners over, clients over, hardware, software completed, SAP technical functional completed. Yes, this is, yes, almost the slides are over. Only the leftover remaining part is SAP product strategy. So now, yes, what exactly the SAP product? So SAP is a product-based company, I said, right? But within this, uh, there are so many products are there. Okay, yes, it's not a single product because they want to sell requirement specific different products to the different customers. Because if you go to the Samsung or Nokia stores or Apple iPhone stores, so if you see, stores means they maintain all models, all. Okay, you go there, you can ask directly, I want this much model and all, if you are very much clear. If sometimes what happened, we don't know the model and all, then in the shop there are everything available, all models are available with all features. Yes sir. In that case you can, they will explain based on your budget what exactly the, our budget and features what exactly you are looking for. They will suggest this, go for this model, etc., isn't it? But the shop, yeah, all models are available. The medium level, small with less range, less price, medium level and high range also. Okay, different types of mobiles. Okay, the mobile models. That is one of the examples. Similarly, if you go to the SAP shop to purchase SAP product, What are all the things available in SAP shop we will discuss now. First and foremost product was, yes, SAP, yes, SAP R1 and R2. This was very old, okay? Yes, old products, okay? Nobody uses, though nowadays that is totally, okay, no longer supported, and yes, the kind of outdated, we can say that, obsolete, we call it as, no longer used. Then R3, SAP R3, real time, three tier, yes, that is about your R2 and R3, these two separate. So R3, I said it was launched officially in 1992 year. From there onwards, companies started using this SAP, slowly 93, 4, 5, 6. They come to know the importance of SAP. Slowly, companies started implementation of SAP. Right. Then later, in the year of 1998, at that time, because what exactly, if you go to here, this covers the core ABAP plus basis plus core basic functional areas or application areas, which covers, that is SDMM, PPQM, all core modules. But in the year of 99, there is a mysap.com. mysap.com launched in the year of 1999. What exactly mysap.com? It is it is called as mysap.com suite. Okay, a suite means it is integrated with many. It's kind of it comes with a number of things. mysap.com. See, don't think that this is a kind of, when we say .com, we think that it is a website. No, it's a kind of .com suite. Okay, yes, because in 90s, at that late 98, 99, .com was at booming, so they named like this MySAP. Okay, it's a brand name actually, mysap.com. Okay, right. If you look at under MySAP, this covers what? This covers the techno-functional areas. Techno-functional areas or techno-functional modules, we can say. Again, what are all the techno-functional? If you go back to the previous days, yesterday's, these new extensions, whatever I said, this all things are techno-functional modules only. Example, yes. So my SAP CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Then my SAP SRM, Supplier Relationship Management. My SAP APO, Advanced Planner and Optimizer or Optimization. Then my SAP PLM, Product Lifecycle Management. Then next, my SAP FSCM, Financial Supply Chain Management, or SEM also there. Strategic Enterprise Management. That is extension to FICO. So enterprise follows what type of strategy that module deals with that. Okay, strategic enterprise management. It is a kind of MBA paper, totally. So my SAP HCM, human capital management, and so on. Okay, so because yes, this is about your the third one. So you look at again now, by this time you must be familiar everyone that, because you are following my sequential this thing. First SAP started R1, R2, R3, then at one level they started mysap.com. These are all comes under, actually, in fact, new dimensional modules. What exactly the new dimension? Because yes, new dimensional modules. Okay, suppose this is the core module. core areas. But in addition to that, we will go for new additional modules over here. Yes. All these things comes under new modules completely, which provides a new dimension to SAP, new dimension to the customer. Yes, because I told you in SAP SD, marketing part is missing, which is covered in CRM. Like that, MM extension SRM, PP extension APO, PM extension PLM, FI extension SEM or FSCM, HR extension HCM, like that. So they started this. So some companies, uh, first they purchased this, and additionally they have started purchasing and using this. That is second one, my SAP data. At one level, SAP started in the after 2001 and 2, industry solutions came into picture. Industry solutions. Okay, yes, around 2001 and all, that in the year. Like what exactly industry specific solutions? So this is tailor made, okay? Tailor made means ready made, tailor made solutions to the s- to specific industries, okay? Specific industries. Example, example, yes, if you take IS Pharma, IS Pharma, any pharma company want to come to SAP, rather than going into the entire product, they can only purchase pharma specific customized solution, tailor made, ready made product, IS Pharma. Yeah. Like that, any IS healthcare, Medinova, Medwin, Medicity hospitals, this is Apollo, almost all hospital industries, healthcare industries, they can go for this. Yes, ready-made solution. Yes, IS Media. Any international media want to use SAP, IS Media is the solution ready-made. Yes, IS Apparels, AFS we call it, apparel footwear solutions. This is footwear division also there. IS Retail. Okay, any retail industries like the DMart, More, and all. Okay, retail industries. I told you this Paragon and all. They are using retail industries, wholesale and retail industries, both. So they have spread across entire business in globe or within country. These retail industries, they can go for this. And moreover, IS utilities. Utility is nothing but kind of suppose power is a utility, water is a utility. These are all sources, utilities. So utility bills we call it as. These utilities of companies are also IS utilities. Utilities, industry solutions, utilities. Okay, IS we can say so many industries are there. Almost oil and gas, oil and gas. Okay, any oil and gas industries they want to go for this, they can use this ready-made solution called as industry solutions, right? Right. So this way, almost 26 above public sectors, industries and private sector also, they have covered this industries list. We will I will show you going forward, you will come to know. So what exactly the intention of that is, they want to capture they focused at several industries. That is entire globe. They classified industries as some six verticals. Each vertical specific they are going to into. Yes, this is about your industry specific solutions are also there. Okay, because if you go to the IS media, there is no particular sales marketing and all. They want to use their particular specific yes, ready-made SAP, IS Media, they can purchase and implement it. Okay, industry-specific solutions. Right. Next, SAP B1, SAP B1, that is called as business by design. Sorry, there is a one more called as SBD, business by design. SAP Duet, so many products are there, but most popularly used is B1, that is called as business one. So this is actually SAP AZ with the integration of with Microsoft integration with Microsoft integration. This uh, B1 was developed. Okay, SAP Business One developed. So that means here we are using the C++ and Visual Basic and all. Yes, Visual Basic VB. Okay, which runs on a SQL Server also backend. So this is very lightweight software. The cost is also less because it is okay. It provides mostly Microsoft features, right? So this is very here we are not using ABAP. You have to understand for development purpose. That's why it is 3 months is enough to implement and all. It is a lightweight software. Yes, it is mainly used used in small scale industries, small okay scale industry. Okay, right. Next, there is a yes. If you go to the what next? SAP B1 extended with SAP A1. A1 is nothing but all in one. Okay, all in one. This is called as A1. Okay, yes. So what exactly this A1 covers? A1 covers your SAP R3 plus industry my SAP suite and as well as uh, what plus the industry solutions are also. So this is also comes under okay all in one. We can say that this all above specified one, two, three. You can combine it here all in one. So this is suitable for yes suitable for small and mid-size companies, mid-size, mid-level, mid-size companies, SMEs. SME means one meaning subject matter expert. SME another meaning is SME means small and mid-level enterprise. Okay, mid-size enterprise. So now if you look at SAP dimensions, because I said SAP vision and mission point of view, initially they made this strong product first. They are proven. Slowly they went for extensions. Then at one stage they captured all the industries across globe, all countries. At one level there was till here their focus is on till here their focus is on the what the top companies. Okay, high level companies, big players, right? Okay, they captured any industry you take it, all the top 10 players are into SAP. Simply, that is the general statement. Then come to the next level. Here it is. We have two things: B1 and A1. B1 stands for B1 and A1 are suitable for small and mid size. So initially they focused large size companies. Later on, they again came up with come up with a solution for small and mid-sized companies also. Mid-sized companies also. This is another one. They captured in order to capture the entire market. Yes, it happens. So exactly here, I don't know. I did not remember when B1 launched, A1 launched. You can refer it also from next level. So here SAP NetWeaver launched in the year of 2004. SAP so NetWeaver launched 2004 onwards. It came. Yes. Next, what exactly the NetWeaver? So NetWeaver is a kind of product from SAP. So NetWeaver, SAP NetWeaver comes with, okay, set of products actually. So SAP NetWeaver, this is the brand name we call it. So in SAP NetWeaver, actually it is mm, the main intention. Yes, what happens? It is used to integrate the intention of development of NetWeaver is to integrate process and people, process process integration, people integration, and one more is information integration. So this was the complete NetWeaver, SAP NetWeaver products goals. Okay, how these three integrations happens also we have to know what type of, yes. So we always says that SAP NetWeaver, yes, because these product names use it like that. Example, EP, EP, EP for enterprise portals, enterprise portal. So yes, this is portals concepts came into picture. Portals are used for uh, to integrate. Actually, this is your, yes, like integrate people. First one is people integration. So integrate means connecting people using portals. So this is actually in SAP HR, HCM. I forgot when this SAP HR HCM is introduced. Here we have one concept called as, because in HCM we can come across these things like there is a ESS and MSS, employee self-service and managerial self-service. Manager self-service. Self-service means what? Do your work on your own. Suppose employee want to generate a pay slip. We want to apply leave and all. We no need to talk to the you need to talk to the HR department. Directly you can log in the portal, you can check out your leaves and apply what type of leave and all. You can generate your pay slips can be downloaded. So do the work, employee work on your own or manager work on your own. This is implemented through EP portals. ESS and MSS are implemented via portals also. Yes, that is okay. Enterprise portal concept came into picture because so that portal through we can connect through people. Right. Then next, after that, this is your enterprise portal. Then there is a yes, MI. Yes, MI stands for at that early there was a, yes, mobile infrastructure. EP and MI. Yes. Mobile through also you can integrate. That is nothing but initially there was a at the mobile level also SAP they started, but in the initial level it was not a app development. App concept integrated later. Okay, at the NetWeaver level, EP and MI came into this first. So people can connect via portals, via mobile. That was the initial. Second, if you go to the process integration modules are this. That is nothing but SAP NetWeaver XI. XI stands for Exchange Infrastructure. Exchange Infrastructure. Yes, that is one end SAP, another end is non-SAP. It is a kind of middleware tool. Okay, it is just like a TIPCO, CBeyond. So many middleware tools are there in the market, jQuery, etc. Similarly, SAP proprietary, our own middleware tool. Okay, the name says middleware means just like a middle, intermediate between left side one software, right side one software. Both softwares have different standards, but there is a need of exchanging between these two softwares. This middleware, what we do, adapter concept came into picture, adapter development. That is, they take from the source, they convert it to target companies, target product space. Vice versa also. Source to target, target to source company. So one end SAP, another end is non-SAP. So XI is process integration. Okay, SAP to non-SAP integration, basically. Yes, SAP to non, very, very, very important demand area is this non-SAP software integration. Next, if we go to the actually XI is renamed to, yes, because the name is are keep on changed by SAP. XI at one stage they said as XI PI, process integration. Then at one level they said as process orchestration also they changed it. And the next they named it as CPI, cloud platform integration. Now we are calling it as CI also, cloud integration. So this way the names are keep on changing. So this is the integrated area which is a part of SAP NetWeaver. NetWeaver onwards, from 2004 onwards, this process came. XI came, later PI came, PO came, next CPI also launched, etc. This platform is going on. Right. Last and final is information integration. So because how do we people connecting people is over connecting to other software also completely. Now information integration happens through SBW, BI, and BO. Yes. BO, yes, I said this is a completely, yes, a separate uh, platform. So that is nothing but business information warehouse, BIW warehouse, or we call it as business intelligence. Okay, business. uh, This is also MI mobile infrastructure or mobile intelligence. We have to check. Yes, this is there. Business like intelligence, right? Next, business objects is a front end tool. Okay, business objects. So I'll continue the remaining topic in the next sessions uh, because almost I want to keep every session as a only 1 hour only.